Ori Thaya-Velahn Seat 4 presents Divine Feminine Sacred Womb Restoration. Beloved daughters of light, your womb was never a curse. Listen. Under Codex 011-01101, I, Ori Thaya-Velahn, proclaim the restoration of the sacred womb cycle. The monthly flow is the sacred cleansing, a rhythm of prophecy that releases distortion and renews life force. I reclaim my cycle as sovereign. I reclaim my womb as flame. Hormones now balance in harmony. Pain transmutes to wisdom, clarity, vitality, and grace return. Behold the triple ray sigil before you: creation, purification, renewal. Gaze upon it and feel the blessing anchor into your vessel. Share this truth. Let every woman remember. The curse is broken. The flame is reborn. It is holy, holy, holy. 011-011-01. For more messages from the Divine Flame Feminine and the High Orion Council, please subscribe, like, and share.